What's poppin', YouTube? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's good? It's your boy Diverse. You know what I mean? It's your boy Diverse, man. You know what I mean? Getting another workout in. Moving and grooving. We refuse to lose this year. We're not going out this year without finishing strong. So I hope that everybody's been staying motivated, staying prosperous, keeping their visions and their dreams and things that they want to accomplish and want to be blessed with. I hope that you keeping that still on the top of your agenda list, that you still moving towards and striving towards excellence in your life. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we all could use, man. We all could use, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm at a point right now where I've been being as consistent as I can, especially with my health. I'm finna do a lot more things with my health other than exercising. It starts with what you eat as well. I might still like eat some of the things that I was eating prior to me losing 40, 50 pounds. But at the same time, it's like, I cut back on a lot of this stuff, but still, I'm still eating it. So it's like, we got to get rid of all the carbs, the sugars. We got to make sure that we, at least do more plant-based. Because the more greener you eat, the more energy that you get. You know what I'm saying? The more green protein that you get for your body, the more energy you get. And, the more, the more healthier your life will become. You know what I'm saying? The more low risk of diabetes you'll have, the more low risk of high blood pressure you'll have, the better you eat, you guys. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm finna hop on soon is, getting some of that sea moss, getting some of that good sea moss. It's this green protein shake that I got too. I'm gonna put y'all up on when I get it, once I order it. But definitely gonna put y'all up on game on that too. Just to help y'all have a better, more healthier lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to switch my habits up, so I'm just sharing my good habits with you guys, and hopefully you can, pick up on it and just, add it to your life. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've been manifesting a lot, man. The power of law of attraction is so real, y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie. So it's this certain kind of vehicle that I want. I ain't gonna say it online because, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep my energy and keep my good vibes and keep most of my thoughts to myself. But it's this vehicle that I want to get off the lot, you know what I'm saying? Off the car lot. But it's like, damn, I'm seeing that bitch everywhere, nigga. It's like the universe telling me, nigga, this is your truck. This is your car. This is your truck. This is your truck. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn. I'm seeing that bitch as soon as I get up. Hell, it's actually driving towards me right now. That's crazy. As soon as I get up, I see one in the hood. As soon as I walk down the street, I see another one. As soon as I turn around the corner and go around the other block, there go another one. It's like, God damn, bro. You know what I'm saying? See that time? Yeah. But like I really want it bad, but it's like, man, it's starting to show up everywhere. Every time I look somewhere, I see the vehicle I want. Every time I go out the neighborhood, go somewhere else, I see the truck I want. I can just be chilling. It's like, it's crazy. I never noticed the vehicle like I'm noticing it now. I guess the more and more that I want that joint, the more and more I'm seeing it. So it's becoming kind of weird, like, you know what I'm saying? It's almost as if, and then my partner pulled up on me, and he got the same kind of vehicle, the same kind of truck that I want. And he driving it, so I got an opportunity to drive with him, get in the truck, actually get a feel of what I like and shit like that, and if it's potentially nice for me. I'm like, hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? But, y'all, the law of attraction is so real, man. Vibration is so real, man, for real, dog, you know what I'm saying? That's why I love just getting on YouTube and sharing my good vibration with y'all, because, man, I feel good, man. You know what I'm saying? The leaves falling down off the trees and shit. And, you know, you got to get in nature and, you know what I'm saying, take in some of that good ass air, you know what I'm saying? Breathe some of that shit in and, you know, just enjoy life, man. You know what I'm saying? This what life about, bro. You know what I'm saying? Enjoying life, getting out in nature, you know what I'm saying? Raising your vibration. You know what I'm saying? You know, releasing some of that dopamine. That dopamine when you running and you feeling good and you getting that good adrenaline. But, you know what I'm saying, you changing your habits into healthier habits. Instead of sitting down being lazy, you getting out, you take a walk. Instead of sitting down eating, watching Netflix, you get out, you do a cardio video in the house or something, you know what I'm saying, and burn some of them calories off your ass. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you just gotta do stuff. You gotta discipline yourself, man, you know what I'm saying? And that's how you gonna reciprocate some of the best benefits in life, when you change your habits, your daily habits. But yeah, so I've been having a lot of affirmations like come right in my face, like, and it's crazy. It's really crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been having a lot of affirmations and seeing a lot of things that I want. So I know that it's close. It gotta be close. You know what I'm saying? It gotta be close because I keep seeing it everywhere. Then my partner pulled up on me in the same kind of joint that I want. So shit was just crazy as hell. But shit was just crazy, man. So we gotta raise our vibes. We gotta raise our frequency. We gotta do the right things. And you know what I'm saying, get our life in alignment, you know what I'm saying? That way we can receive some of the benefits in life that we want, of becoming great, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've been seeing this vehicle a lot, and I really want that joint, man. It's like, damn, I keep seeing it, and I know I'm gonna get it. I know eventually I'm gonna get it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's becoming more and more real to me. Like, now I got the dealerships calling my phone, and they just blowing me up, and then now it's just a matter of which one I want. You know what I'm saying? Which deal is better for me? Which interest rate is better for me? You know what I'm saying? You know, what's my financing options? You know what I'm saying? How many months do I want to keep the car for? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? So just about being smart, you know what I'm saying? And making the right moves for yourself. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know, car shopping is different, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm used to buying most of my cars cash. And, you know, financing options is on the table right now. So, you know what I'm saying? Just learning different things, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a lot of different things that I'm about to go into as far as business ventures is concerned and things of that nature. So, you know, this vehicle would be great for my business that I'm about to start up. You know what I mean? So everything should work out. Most praise to the Most High. Everything works out in my favor. We can continue to win and continue to get these wins in. You know what I mean? So, hell yeah. I also wanted to let y'all know, man, I got a Facebook page, Drew, aka Diverse. It got hacked. You know what I'm saying? Somebody got into my page or whatever. It's called Drew, Drew, aka Diverse. I had that joint for a minute. And obviously I left a portal open to where somebody got into it and locked me out of my page. So it's a real pain in the ass because I had about 800, close to 800 followers, about 700, close to 800 likes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna start it all over again, you know what I'm saying? Just gonna make a whole nother Facebook, start it over again, get the same kind of experience and move it along. But I'm just letting you guys know that, yeah, that was the wrong, that's the wrong channel. So, you know, I'm gonna make another link for you guys so you can follow and tag that joint. How you doing, sir? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make another link for y'all so you can follow and tag that. Yeah, so somebody stole my Facebook, y'all. Ain't that a bitch? Stole my damn Facebook. Man, dog. I feel like somebody stole my identity. Somebody stole my wallet and credit cards when that happened. I ain't even gonna lie. No cap. You know what I'm saying? That was just, damn. You know what I'm saying? I tried to fight back to get it. It's so hard to get in contact with Facebook. It's ridiculous. It's almost like no hope. Just make another page. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. So yeah, I'm also gonna be I still got that credit video for y'all. I got the card and everything. I got my Capital on tap card, and it's pretty much a business credit card. They gave me $1,000 line of credit on that bad boy, and first chance I get, I want to spend it on something that my business needs. You know what I'm saying? Something that I can buy for my business purposes. You know what I'm saying? You want to separate your personal credit from your business credit. So, you know, hopefully I can get a chance to, well, I am going to have a chance. I got a chance right now to just actually building my business credit, climbing those tiers, showing trust, building my paydex score on my business credit side. And you know what I'm saying? That's what you want to do to help get those huge lines of business funding. You got to start somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be doing a video for y'all to teach y'all how you can get your hands on that card, and a few other steps of how you can build your business structure and actually have the right tools you need to actually having, you know, an LLC, being licensed with the state, being licensed with the Secretary of State, you know, taxes and different things like that. I'm just gonna walk you through a few steps of how you can get your business structured in the right way, so you can receive some of those funding, some of those credit lines. You know what I mean? So I ain't gonna hold y'all up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just taking this walk, this jog and shit like that. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be signing back in with y'all, you know what I'm saying, soon. Just keep your eyes and ears open. I just uploaded another video. Make sure you check that joint out as well. And I'm touching on a few things on that video, as far as the young dog situation, and just, you know, just talking about different things you can learn out of that situation. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go vibe with me and check that video out as well. Man, like and subscribe, share y'all. God bless y'all. Appreciate y'all rocking and grooving with me. Salute, peace and love.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid.
I've been broke for 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake, bitch. That's how I know you fake. Get it straight.